Could lasers make missiles and bullets obsolete? Welcome back to Tech Hub, where we break down the latest in military tech. Today, we're diving into high-energy laser weapons, sci-fi turned reality, and how they're set to take on the drone swarms dominating modern battlefields. Stick around, because this tech is heating up fast, and it's cheaper than you think. Let's start with the basics. High-energy laser weapons use focused beams of light, think millions of photons packed with energy, to burn through targets. Unlike your grandpa's rifle, these systems don't need ammo, they run on electricity. As long as you've got power, you've got shots. The US military's been testing these bad boys, like the Army's Directed Energy Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense, mounted on Stryker vehicles. It's packing a 50-kilowatt laser, enough to fry drones or even mortar rounds mid-flight. But that's just the start. There's talk of 300-kilowatt systems hitting the field by late 2025. That's some serious firepower. So why the hype? Drones. They're cheap, they're everywhere, and they're a nightmare for traditional defenses. Take the Red Sea. Houthi rebels have been slinging drones at US Navy ships since 2023, costing millions in missiles to shoot them down. A single Standard missile too? Over $2 million. A laser shot? Pennies on the dollar, some say as low as $10 a pop. That's the game changer: infinite magazine, low cost, and precision. The Navy's Helios system, a 60-kilowatt laser on the USS Preble, zapped a drone in 2024 tests, proving it's not just talk. Drones are fast, but light moves at 300,000 kilometers per second. Good luck outrunning that. Here's the cool part: how do these lasers actually work? They're solid-state systems, meaning no chemicals, just crystals converting electricity into infrared light you can't even see. That beam locks onto a target, say, a drone's battery or motor, using advanced optics and tracking. In seconds, it heats up to thousands of degrees, melting metal or igniting fuel. The USA laser demo at White Sands in 2021 took out 60mm mortars and UAVs like it was nothing. The catch? You need serious power, tens to hundreds of kilowatts, and cooling to keep it running. That's why mobile platforms like Strykers or ships are perfect. They've got the juice to keep the laser firing. Now, let's talk 2025. The Army's already deployed 20-kilowatt palletized high-energy lasers overseas, think Middle East hotspots, and they're knocking drones out of the sky as we speak. The Navy's planning more Helios tests this year, aiming for 150-kilowatt upgrades. Meanwhile, Lockheed Martin's Valkyrie system, a 300-kilowatt beast, is slated for delivery by 2025 to tackle cruise missiles, something weaker lasers can't touch. This isn't just defense, it's a shift. Imagine a battlefield where swarms of $1,000 drones get smoked by a laser costing pocket change per shot. It's a cost-efficiency revolution. But it's not all sunshine and laser beams. These systems have limits. Fog, dust, or smoke can scatter the beam, cutting its range. Power's another hurdle. 300 kilowatts needs a beefy generator, and if your battery dies, so does your defense. Size matters too. Fighter jets can't lug these yet, though the Air Force is testing smaller rigs. And range? We're talking kilometers, not continents. Lasers are line of sight only. Still, for short-range air defense, they're unmatched. The tech's maturing fast, and 2025 could be the tipping point. So where's this headed? Analysts say we'll see 500-kilowatt lasers by 2027, maybe even megawatt-class systems blinding satellites or shredding missiles from ships. Other nations, like Israel with its Iron Beam or the UK's Dragonfire, are racing to catch up. This isn't just a US story, it's a global arms race. For your average grunt, it means lighter logistics, no more hauling ammo crates, just a power pack and a clear shot. The battlefield's about to get a lot brighter. That's it for today's deep dive into laser weapons. Do you think lasers will dominate future wars, or are drones still the kings of chaos? Drop your thoughts below, I read every comment. If you like this, smash that like button, subscribe for more military tech breakdowns, and hit the bell so you don't miss next week's video. Until then, stay sharp out there.